As they carry on with the performance, ladies and gentlemen, the students from Madang Students Association at the University of Papua New Guinea, making their way to present the cultural gift to the host governor, Honorable Powes Parkop. Making their way to present their cultural gift to the governor. A clay pot, typically made by the people of Bilbil, women of Bilbil village, Madang, and the Bilum as well. For those who have joined us just recently, thank you for coming. On the MOMASE chapter of the PNG story, the final today. Thank you to the national government, the National Capital District Commission and the National Capital District Government for coming up with this initiative. Once in a lifetime opportunity to be part of our country's journey, 50 years in the making. As we witness the presentation of the cultural gifts from our Students Association from the 4 provinces of MOMASE to the host governor, Moresby students have presented their cultural gift. We sing the Madang students, and the next province to have the students present the cultural gift. We'll be seeing the students from Sundown, the Western Province. MOMASE family, welcome, welcome. Imiluga mo sumatin lo Madang. Only give him presentation Logistical Governor. Behind Logisla by Olsumatin Logis Civic. Students from the Civic Province at the University of Papua New Guinea will be making their presentation and their performance as well. Right after this. Making their way out of the arena, students from Madang Province at the University of Papua New Guinea. One of the most captivating regions in our country, both culturally and geographically. Momase family, welcome, welcome. Imilugan mo sumadin lo, Madang.